Hi, this is Phil Rankin, the founder of EvenMix, and we're going to go through the proper installation of the EvenMix drum bung in a closed head 55-gallon drum. First of all, let's go over what you need: an EvenMix Air Drive or electric drive, a mixing shaft and blade, a drum bung clamp, the vice grip wrench, the Allen wrench, a through bolt from the air drive. So the process and the order that you install this drive is very important. If you do it this way, it's very easy. So first, place the mixing shaft and the blade into the 55-gallon drum. It's very important to notice that you squeeze the bottom of the mixing blades to get them to fit in the 2-inch bung opening. Notice how I compress them together. Don't worry, they will spring back out. They're not going to get bent. Now, as I have them compressed, I'm able to feed them through the bung and into the drum. Notice how they expand once they are in the drum. Now, make sure not to drop the shaft in the drum. Hold on to it with one hand. Next, you thread the drum bung clamp over the mixing shaft and feed it through the drum bung clamp reducer and secure the drum bung clamp to the closed head drum. The next step is to clamp the mixing shaft with a vice grip wrench. This is to hold the mixing shaft while you attach the air or electric drive to the mixing shaft. Notice that the vice grip wrench is tight enough to hold the mixing shaft itself. Next up, orient the air or electric drive so that the through bolt on the mixing shaft aligns with the air or electric drive output. Next, thread the drive onto the mixing shaft and thread the through bolt to attach the two. Notice that I use the Allen wrench to get the through bolt completely through and threaded onto the drive output. Once a through bolt is secure, then you can remove the vice grips and install the drive to the drum bung clamp. Just screw the drive into the drum bung clamp, making sure that the clamp is secure onto the closed head drum. All right, now that you're finally done, you can install the air or electric drive and you can start mixing. So thank you very much for watching this instructional video. Please let us know if you need assistance understanding how to mix and match our other drives, mixers, and brackets. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.